Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready, open TikTok and tap the plus to record or upload your video. Record with clear voice levels. Once done, avoid loud background music so auto captions can hear you. Tap next to enter the editor. Make sure the language is correct in your profile settings. Now, locate the Captions button on the right side tools. This is the first actionable step. Tap it to start automatic transcription. You'll see progress, while TikTok generates time-aligned text for your video. Once captions generate, play the video and watch the transcription closely. Mistakes happen. You'll see captions broken into segments with timestamps. Tap any segment to edit words, punctuation, or casing. Make changes to fix names, jargon, or slang. This improves accessibility and searchability. If timing is off, drag segment handles or split long lines for readability. Keep lines short and readable on screen. After edits, preview the full video to ensure captions sync with spoken words before moving to the final step. You're at the finish line, preview the edited captions, then tap save so changes stick to the clip. Make posting choices, add hashtags, set privacy, and pick a cover, then publish. If you need burned-in subtitles, consider adding text overlays manually before posting. Troubleshooting. If captions don't appear, make sure TikTok is updated and your account language matches the spoken language, reduce background noise, or export audio to a desktop tool to create an SRT and re-import.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.